pleased to offer this factory 5 Racing MK4 model for sale. This car stands out from the rest as it was pro-built in 2012 using only the finest components. In the engine bay, you will find a V8 5.0-litre Coyote engine with power steering assist. It is mated to a Tremec 5-speed transmission. The magnificent root beer brown over twin orange stripes is a bold choice that shows uniqueness and shines under the sun to be different than the rest. Willwood brakes and 17-inch knockoff painted to match wheels were chosen by builder. A port leather wrapped steering wheel. Digital odometer gauge. A custom real leather interior was appointed. In addition, a custom center console hiding the Pioneer stereo was put in place. Car includes cockpit cover and a full car cover. For safety, this car was assigned dual roll bars and 5-point harness belts. This car comes with installed quick jacks bumpers plus extra set of chrome full bumpers.